Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. Back again with another sneaker review video. Before we get into this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got new style video on this channel every week. All right guys, for the sneaker review video, we got the Air Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 2.0. Let's get into this thing. First of all, we got this really amazing box. This is gonna be one of my favorite Jordan boxes that I've seen in a while. So on the front here, you got a lot of cool different Jordan moments. You got the last shot here, you got the wing it, just like different sneaker moments throughout history. And it's a really nice box. I gotta say, right away, I'm actually really digging this box. So this is the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 2.0, and crazy. I think this might have been one of the more expensive retail sneaker releases. They start at $250 retail. Wow. And this officially, the colorway, it is called black, white, gorge, green. All right, so I got this in a size 11, and yeah, let's get into this thing. All right, we got the box, open this up, double paper for the wrapping, and here it is, the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 2.0. Wow, I gotta say, first of all, I'm really impressed by these. These are really nice. So if you guys didn't know, they came out with this animal pack style, the first version of this last year, and those were not good. Those had all the animal fake fur, and although it looked nice, I think like the texture, the materials they used just did not look good. I could not get around the fact that all that fur, all that stuff, I did not like that look at all. So this one here, they came out with this much better like leather version. Right away, to me, looking at this, feeling this feels like a luxury pair of sneakers. So as you can see from the upper, they use all these different types of animal leather materials. They still got the classic like elephant print on the back, but you have it in this like dark brown color. And I don't even know all the different kind of leather. This kind of looks like an alligator skin material. And then this here, this like black leather on the side here. I guess this is more like an ostrich type of leather. And up in the front, you have this like black and gray color. This is more of a snake skin leather that they use. So right away, I love the colors that they use. It's really nice to show different texture even though it's black. And it's really smart to use a different gray leather material to show that kind of like gray cement print, that color blocking. And on the back, you have this yellow tab and then this green, like this is a very interesting texture up here. It's not leather, but it's a very like interesting, like rough sway kind of material. And then you have the red Jumpman and the red details to finish off the look. Right off the bat, I love the colors on this. It looks really nice. And then on the bottom, you have the yellow and the red. So overall, the execution with the colors and the materials, really nice. I love it. On the tongue, you have this gray leather material as well. This is kind of like a snakeskin material. And then on the laces, they use this like wax leather laces. So really nice overall. They really thought about all the details with all of this. And then the midsole here is not like white, it's more of a cream off-white color. Other thing that I didn't notice from the photos, but now that I see it the second I picked it up, this inner lining here and also the tongue, they use this like satin material. So it's really nice and smooth. It's a lot thinner and skinnier than their usual Jordan 3. Just grab some of my Jordan 3s that I have. So I got the Justin Timberlake Man of the Woods collab here. And one of my favorites, because I really love the color, the beige brown color that they use, the materials. But as you can see, this is a lot thicker. This has the usual like Jordan 3 cushioning. And of course you got the classic black cement 3s with all the original padding, a lot of padding around the ankle and the tongue. Compare this to this new pair here. It's a much slimmer, sleeker profile with the tongue and the satin material on the inner. I love the laces option they gave here. Usually I like to just go with the classic that they give you, but I think the yellow or the red makes the sneaker pop and just makes it go to a whole other level. So looks wise, this is amazing pair of sneaker for the Jordan 3, but here is the problem. They retail for $250. So I think with taxes and all that stuff, it comes out to like easily $270. $270 for a pair of Jordan 3s. And to be honest, it's not even hyped up. So that's a lot of money for a pair of general release. If I were you, I would definitely pick them up under $200 in the $175 range. I think this is one of those great pair of sneaker to have in your collection that is not like the super hype, super limited. I personally like these a lot. If it wasn't for the price, I would rate these like 9 out of 10. That's how much I like these. My personal style has really grown and elevated over the years. This is really one of those sneakers that's like, wow, you've taken the classic black cement 3s and you've elevated to this level of using this kind of cool animal leather, much more luxury style look, much sleeker profile. Quick side-by-side comparison with the classic black cement 3s. They're actually pretty similar when you put them right next to each other. You got the same like gray color blocking with the tongue and also the elephant print in the front. And then on the upper with the red color on the Jumpman. So from far away, they look really similar, but this is the perfect example of how they made this classic sneaker into this like luxury, really sharp style with all the leather material. So I love the execution on this. The colorway is great. Like you really don't see the green and yellow mixed in with red like this often. So, and yeah, kudos to the Jordan team for having fun with recently having fun with the Justin Timberlake collab and also coming out with some of the PE like the Jordan 3 Carolina Blue. I did a video on that, so definitely check that out. And also I'm very, very excited for the new women's version that's coming out. It looks basically like the Kobe PE, which is impossible to get. So I'm really looking forward to that. Just another pair of sneakers to grow my Jordan 3 collection. Another fun detail on the inside of the tongue here, they have Instant 2 written on the inside here. So another fun little detail for you guys. And then on the inside for the shoes, they have this yellow color with the red Jumpman. So definitely be on the lookout. If they're still in stock at retailers like Foot Locker, Champs, I think they're starting to go on sale now. And pretty high chance that these will hit the outlet. So I think when these do hit the outlet, definitely pick up a pair. These are definitely really nice if you can get them at a cheaper price. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are with the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct here. I definitely love these over the first version. And like I said many times in the video, I think the price tag is what's stopping a lot of people from getting a pair. So I think it's just a matter of time when they're at a good, reasonable price, people are gonna snatch them up for sure. So let me know in the comments your thoughts on this. Do you like the colorway? How do you feel about the material? How do you feel about the design? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.